singa dalo level songani dapur songnar yang inga ang baksa level ni CP Rahul di Singmadonga aro sing baksa susrang si Ismarak when Southwest Garbil ampati nionga aro brother Amit S Sangma Kokorazar nionga jan All India Cycling Daki Mizalo achik songona ribaha Dimapuruna mandike singa sakpri sa Hector Sangma ko barong ariangia biang singpa school ko ran kaya Little Daffodil Higher Secondary School mga no nam gawa percentage ko topper sa mga pass kaya kaya school ko selain di bidingo sangat siakan kerken para bini ko yang gawa school cikgu berat kematikaran kas ini ko sika masih rakyat kena tumai bo rebingrang rancing menacina enam ini onggen lag komen kela angada alo Dimapur dongenga doya purung baba songo aru ya kita masa Sir Hector Sangmani resident songo onginga dita masa yano anga rebani muksonga dire Sir Hector ada panga corona kita uta sumoinin corona sking asum sol man kuza ini bada langa corona kita sol kumana aru to borongin anga dita masa dia saksa acikrang ni gisiko blongen mungseng bapa saksa dulgoponga dia school ni ba Little Daffodil Higher Secondary School ni ba dia proprietor nga dian lokopanga unmaksana dikha masa achik former Nagaland Garo Tribal Council ni NGTC ni dia second president ngasum aro dawa dia Mismi Mundali Erali Vilni advisor nga MME mungba daw kita sort akan gens model aro bandike Nagaland Garo GB Union niba dawo saksa advisor menga blon mungseng ba saksa acikrang ni gisibo saksa dia delgapa nga aro banga mandar na daksatinga aro iya biako agan gismo de Nagalandon bia ji school ka daw ran khainga Little Daffodil Higher Secondary School one of the top school nga yanoni banga mandaran namge paga dongo topper sangba dongo iso school ni mo nga biko talog rongimong bini school ni mo nongsia single Sir, nako growing mga bulan kusi nga thank you very much. Aro nani noko no rebay nako growing nani family ko growing ari school ran kun kya nga bulan kusi nga bulan impress ka ko mana ha. Uni mo nga adita nako singnas kanide. Na sir basa ko ni naya nani school ka basinga.
School ko abasinga di 1994 ni. 1994 ni classes A up to 4 kuliyacham. Unon sumayo abasinga only 23 students po asam. Kolgir katam student si chinga school apa chinga chulia wangin kasan bisa bangluru ro dawan diki chinga angaya metric kona jinsalo nah metric je sumagin aba chingoni angan bisa rangna case award ona promise kadong ha case award 10,000
Mani sana mungkin pasok
topper na jira na topoy bakin ne di ba uno sumay ba jahan are uno tamang hazal sa ar bariyat smay ha year by year un jamno 2023 o topori basak sa bisa oni kangal namen kangal ba bisa ne from very poor family he don't have bed to sleep also so changsangan kin rone yang achim noksuchi ron ka biar mangu acong bisa puringa mangu means met doner mo do na ango bisna bang biar ibai rabo na bisara rebaja ara mena yang rebaja na sir ade thangman khaba dia floor sa churonga dikete un ade dian kesa aram manaya nene akana do mon ki wa bisa topoi ba 15,000 case award dia manang ha
may bulsungas mo
ya 2022
topper mas
skang pa unas kangbong una daga panga bisa nang macam di ba 1.2 points lang na ong jaha so arun baksa na bisa lang na 90 and above pas barang na per subject om 1,000 each ona to wa bisa ang side ni kom 20,000 manang ha aro may mga subject teacher ang master ang manamin kusi ni baka pa kanuna ha aro saksa guardian Topor ibahan ek na loge ofiso hajal bunga donga bini bimo. Hajal bunga
toppers no.
topar na.
Acha.
Tadi dengan singa 22 ba may basum hope khachum. Ye 2022 ni damne one ada na. Ye foto di nungnya do first topper. Yan first topper ni.
Iya mo?
Yeah.
2023 ni.
2023.
Ari ada.
Oh sorry 2022 ni siya.
2022. Iya de
Vice President, Vice Principal.
Vice Principal.
Second Vice Principal, yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice to see that.
Una mas nga every
Great
year
encouragement.
may batsam the 2024 class 12 ni art topper pati ha. Una ba naging case award 16 mane 16,000 ng ating higher secondary nila.
Acha.
So 16,000 plus daisyo aga nakatan per subject 90 above man one are ko 1,000 na khali una ung det bisa na daisyo na sing lebong kin getu ni ambo benaro 1990 above man buran red mark chi maria o gma nam chinga sorry school site to ni una 1,000 each ona
90 above man ka
90 above man ka pa
Lord motivation ka ani aslo encouragement ba nga hayara bisa mo.
Aro dad si result namin nampat ha this 2025 out of top 20 16 no re bajo ya first re ba kapadi ade out of 20 yan 19 no re ba 19 rank
I see.
Pero
16 na sa pa.
Tapos 16 no nga suka dapat si de di ba ba class 12 mo manang para out of 10 9 rank ho yang awa
Wow.
9 rank
10 na ba ko?
Yung ba yung double seats nga sakni ba saktam ang topor ibakin ni chansiyasam di ba because of few percentage
I see.
sakali saksasam manayar one kiti
Longan kusyong gap na na play na abas yung ni mandarang ko beta bolsi din na jaka nga naging sumunod na 10,000 ni mandarang daw kita mankujan ni semua aro na 1,000 bariyate bare 15,000 cuma mo aro daw dia ka future
so di aro pariyating ha daw class 10 man record break mo ha whether daw 19,000 man kempisyon
19,000
class 12 bra 18,000 man daw si class 12 record may ba topor iba ha hindi mang ibaro may mangkinsan Kata unik man daw class 10 ko di aro may bat ka
Acha,
top may
to apne na school te na khali ite usor laga manu hai asna aro dur pura bhi ahi
isi dur dur laga si bas jadu nai nai kulibi like 10 kilometers 12 kilometers per ani ase bacha
acha bisi dur pura bhi ahi asna
dur pura bi
so manuhan they knows that this is one of the best school in this region I mean in the Nagaland so
I cannot say that one but knowingly parents are sending their children because by seeing the result so I cannot say by myself that this my school is the best school one of the best
The proprietor.
otherwise I'll be something like boasting of myself
Anyway, I understand that. Anyway, you won't say that because you're the proprietor and you cannot say that I'm the best. Anyway, the people knows it very well. That's why the people are saying.
Recently, one student came for admission, but before taking admission for class 11, what he said, the guardian, it seems one of the higher secondary principal when campaign to their village, to take the admission in his higher secondary. But then I told the guardian, if you have to go there only. I will not say come to my school.
Your force,
I will not say go there also. It's your wish only. But if you have to take there, it's your wish. But the guardian, that the next day, he came back and he said, sir, I'm going to take admission. Oh, you have decided? I asked. He said, yeah, I've taken my decision that I'll keep my child here only. Likewise.
I think you might have got some information from here and collect some more information.
But I never go here and there and do campaign like election. Come to my school or bring to my school. And one more I will say to you. These Muslim people, the farmers, they come for selling vegetables.
I see.
I ask them, whether you people send your children to school or not. They say, no sir. Why? Send your children to
That's
school,
great.
to government school.
That's great from you.
Where in the government school you don't have to pay fees, you don't have to buy uniform, free of cost. But in place of sending to government school, many Muslim students are here in my school now.
Very good, that's
See,
great.
But I did not say those Muslim families bring to my school. I said take to government school, where you'll get free Yeah,
Instead, they are bringing to your school now.
Yes, they are bringing to my school.
Because you get encouragement from you.
Yeah.
Another thing, sir, I would like to know, do you have any hostel facility over here?
Yeah, we have got hostel facilities for both boys and girls, but separate building,
Okay.
separate rooms for boys as well as girls.
Okay.
And we have got wardens also, separate warden,
I see.
and warden for the boys, matron for the girls, like that.
I see. Do you have any facilities like tuition and all for those? Or how do you manage them?
For tuition, we don't, since hostelers,
Mm.
they are looking up by
The wardens.
qualified wardens and matrons. Like my warden, he's actually MA.
I see.
Mm.
I see.
It's a post-graduation. So I asked him also, being a warden, why you want to, being a post-graduation, why you want to come and work here as a warden?
I
But
see.
since nowadays, you can say in our Nagaland also, like many qualified
Yeah.
youths are there, like without any job. So they're working as a
So they are
warden.
happy to work here with you.
Happy, very happy,
And
he's
that's
working
great,
very
that's
hard
great,
also.
because since they're well qualified, they will know how to deal with the hostelers as a warden, and they can also, teach them, inspire them.
Mm.
So I'm very happy to hear that.
But like, we are giving tuition like those who are weak in mathematics
I see, I see.
and science, because our tribal people, I don't know regarding other state, but here in Nagaland, our tribal people, it is the mistake of the parents. They say that my child is very weak in mathematics.
Hmm.
If your child or my child is very weak in mathematics, then why failing in other subjects?
Yes,
That's
it's in sector you're contributing here in Nagaland. So being Garo, how do you feel? I think you have any other person who is working like you here in Nagaland, having a school, running some private school, or some sort of contribution like that in a big way. Any idea? Someone very close to you, that known by you, acquaintance and all.
If some of our Garo people do like this, I'll be very, very happy.
I see.
Mm. And I want to help our Garo people also, like how we have made the introduction earlier. When I was working as a second president of Nagaland Garo Tribal Council,
NCTC.
there also I have promised whoever comes in top,
Mm.
I'll be giving cash award 5,000.
I
That
see.
award money it has got from our early bill only.
Oh, I
Okay,
see.
from early bill only.
Deepak Sangma.
Mm.
Deepak Sangma.
কোন আসলে
Deepak Sangma.
দীপক শর্মা পাইছে
Kripa's brother-in-law.
ও আচ্ছা
He has no father,
Mm.
mother only working in a private school as a sweeper, it seems. Okay, and from our NGTC side also, they have given 2,000 rupees.
Okay, so now he has completed his
Now again, I have promised recently, whoever come top in from our Garos from Nagaland, from Nagaland, I promise for our Garo students, I'll be giving cash award 10,000 rupees.
Well, so far, I know that we have 5 Garo villages in Dimapur, well settled. And then from any village you mean, like from Gaon, Dubagaon, Eraliville,
Samaguri.
Samaguri, and
Nikarani Pathar.
Nikarani Pathar. So anyone, those who, I mean, je mande oba je ranan khanga ponggen, wa pangde do nagin ma.
Top mana?
Huh?
On can men on for the Garos of Nagaland, ne kana mo?
I see.
Yeah,
That
bunga
means
sungit.
include the whole
Yeah,
Nagaland.
oh, yeah.
Yes.
Sekarang ba promise ka ta hajal bong kena na ha? तो उन समय हमारे उन गीजन माने उन जुआनी तुम जग समय ताऊ kita manjani mo riang kujasim तो ang defandi dal bara sekarang di newspaper gema story share toppers di mo daro di news on jaha story kali wow first rank ulang na sonay ha jenaga HLC ni first rank di story hon sa na aro art science commerce ni first rank di ko sonay ha to sekarang di gema rank holders di ko na chen un sumay wa newspaper man ha namin khangal ni bisa ni bhagavad rongjani magabara sweeper ni sa rang de pandi dalbara mani ja papa na di promise kami ni rang yung jato skin ay yung kenbon kema meron jual
Physical dan.
da sumay man jay ba ni to na dalja joka jamno robibar salor yangi aman robibar salor dalja joka jamno yangi sini Nagaland Tribal Council ni General Secretary baksa yangi chang una
Unatahan. Asa sir, mungsaro sinas kinga. Daw kita na naklay nama ya school ko kuliah mga madrang nang na-revive admission ra kuray man nam gapagadang ro fast ka tangka paisa ni kita babongen daksa ko man ha asa abas singoni na may dege mandaran ko may muksungani nani muksungani demo education system ko daw kata mandar encourage kay mo may deke pa muksungani yung best kay mo na yako kulias mo.
Ikon nang naskangan agak nasking asem.
Acha, acha.
Orang bikin mari akan
Okay,
tengok.
okay.
Before opening the school, I worked as a assistant teacher in Christian English school.
Okay,
Mm.
hindi ma
I worked there for 13 years.
13
years.
Nice.
Then, yachi jen salong aro na bakin, like summer vacation na mo, Pasko winter vacation na mo iba. Uno songni mandira na banga pakan request ka na may na school kisa kulijan.
Acha.
Un sumay ano isa mamong sa private school to ha.
Acha.
May nimang isa mamong dungo di competition ong jabago, competitive ong jan eh. Wan ki school namin mandira nga gan kami school ni mo ra juan eh. That's not good also.
Yan yan
Do wan ki digi banga pakan request ka biya aro songni mandirang roma riba biya. Jenika Amitabh Bachchan riba nga Shahrukh Khan riba nga tadi ang bina riba biya mo. Un sumayo ama gisti om jachim. School ko na ang teacher kaya namin salary Christian school ni salary ni namin nama. Plus ang private tuition rabar bangin thanga mana. Tu jajreng jom chan. School kuligan din yung may dike kuligan teacher salary may dike yung. So in the beginning niya ama namin chansiya chan. Our only sumay de Maruti car 800 only 70,000 sanle. Brand new. Brand new. Do ang ni plan lang usar namin hatsamaro. Maruti car person. But in place of that, lastly 1993 sa ang ni kisita may mga isol sang ko isol panahon mo. Hindi isol ni plan song kini ang chansiya. Do 1993 sa nga ay hindi ang ni obadi ka ba budget do yapur budget o ti sa ha hatsamaro. No barana. Unang ara na say no barana ujang ino school sa kulikin. Dia from sa dalkhala. Jab niha namen chansiya bazar o kuliya jan namjua. Bazar area sambode. Mai ni ban gui phan sagba thamang sagba mai sagbarang banghen. Ni na ani tekan habrina yachi niha sam. Unang obadi ka bara na mai na daun nar pusa cross lakin ino nokrang ko mai ban kon pada cross wa. To cross pangin again. Ya abu ni boda sangsama. Ya han ki namja sini mai na thule kan ken. Tum dongja mamba.
Namin talihan na.
Namin kilap kaha, level kaha. Ni kesas kan di dongja si mamman. Mandi wa school daisyo kan ba dake wa school ni headmaster yang ko angni alam la kham kham do khadang steki ang ko.
Nako.
Ang mangkong ja isol to ane. To ane gide dake sa 1994 ang school kuliah, but in the meantime ang adi teacher kaingaw no ba. Christian school. Ang kabasa school kunia ang bisa talbat po sumay class 1 ang yan sa class 1. Daw ang adi si uptown kan nang ha biko dune daw upay duang jaha class udi biko ba hostel dun nang ha. Nedikan biko class 3 ni hostel dun nang ha. Class 3 ni sa hostel dun di di uptown kan namen tu pana bisara to digen to school kuliah ni di baiba dum gasum plan dum gasum angni main aim de dangal agana sange ta ba mandera khadung odi khadung sina mo anade film actor na se nas kasum film call letter ba manhachum to siba mai ba isoni plan jakon film chi ang narang nara school angko kan even angni principal she's no more now, already expired. Let Mrs. Kirena Taguza. Diyan kami opiso kamang ko. O kami header, nara film siya na siya ni Kanan. Ang tolay hadi na, no ma'am. Gani. Kaya calling letter ang manachim. Bombeni. So, nagtitigyan. Dalam may ba is only plan dong ako siyang jana ketemu. So we ang punta ki isonli kampo kawang dan tibi apa isonli kampo kawang inga meni na daw kangang bisaran ko ang free ba pwede ne kangang bisaran ko aro master ang ni bisa ko ba saksa free pwede tinga aro ang ni driver sang dunga driver aro conductor ang bus ki bogani saksing dunga kung ni ba family ni ko saksa bisa free ang
mga mga daksa ko ni ko mo lo nama asa Assam ni aro Meghalaya ni student ang ba success ni dong ama dong sama dapat future na ada nangni ini kan namgapa education ini jiko nih nggak tahu apa kena meri mana ba dong napa dong ah
Assam ni di Bangbiya. Assam ni di Bangbiya. Tau ba Bangbiya Assam ni? Assam ni tau ba Bangbiya di ba Meghalaya ni di saksa mamang di ba?
oh
Saksa mamang. Wa class 12 pas umi yang ha. Class 11 ni di
masuk dari yang jauh garut sini nama
Garul sini.
ah
Oh namen garu kata sangat. Garu di umjane.
oh garut dong
Garu di umja. Phagba boro,
ah
magba sa মানে
mix nggak
mix aro magba ba naga ba usang di ba wali mangge naga ko situ kaya sa wan gero yung naga may jatu ko dia kan ba namja do pure at sila naman na ungin
tahu nun setelah ini dong yang aku
daw bising song dang duma sila naman sila song beso kan ka aw nai na 10 kilometers song kinoni baso
So, Mami tadi sama Meghalaya ni mana skode, few sarang anak anak kontak hagen, aro nani school ni cover ongen, aro di wanang nam nikah ngode, few sarang aku kontak hai sina reba sina, nikah nam apa education aku maningan ni तो thank you sir ang apulungan kusyong jo nani sina nuksa kanina aro nani compound reba yung sina nige namen kusyong jo thank you very much
masing balik ngembang namin mutela aro yung isong siguro namin jual kasi aro para family ka i net is na
Thank you very much
once again
thank you very much